Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet one of my mini granny squares, and today will be the regular granny square but in two colors, so you are changing color for each row. I have used a DK weight and a 4.5mm crochet hook for this. If you think the tutorial is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed in the settings below. But let's begin. We begin with a slip knot. And then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 3 chains counts as the first double crochet, and then this one counts as the center of our granny square. Now we will work another double crochet into this center. Sew your yarn over and insert the hook into this chain and work your double crochet. And then you will work another double crochet into the same chain. Now you chain 2. And then you will work another 3 double crochet into the center of the square. So yarn over and insert the hook into the center and work another 3 double crochet. Then you chain 2 and work another 3 double crochet into the same center. And then chain 2. And then again 3 double crochet into the center of the square. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have our little first round of the square almost done. We will finish with a chain of 2. And then we will join with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. So just insert the hook in this top chain you have, and you want to have 2 yarn threads, and then you just slip stitch. So now we are done with the center of the square, and we will now cut the yarn and pull this one through, because we now want to switch to the next color, which for me will be a light blue one. So now I will attach the yarn in in one of the corners. So I will just insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then I will tie a little knot, which of course will be on the back side of this square. And then insert the hook into this center of the corner, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains now counts as the first double crochet of your second round. Now you will work another 2 double crochet into this corner space. So yarn over and work another 2 double crochet into this corner space. So now you have 3 double crochet into this corner space. Then you will move on to the next corner. You'll just skip all these 3, do 3 double crochet into the next corner. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the next corner and work 3 double crochet into this. So that's 1. Then work another one into the same corner, and then another one in the same corner. And then you will chain 2, 1, 2, and then work another 3 double crochet in the same corner space. So yarn over and insert the hook in the same corner space. Work a double crochet and then another 2 double crochet in the same corner space. So now you have your first corner of your second round all done. Now you will move on to the next corner, and you just skip these 3. You just yarn over and move on to the next corner and work 3 double crochet into this corner. Two, and 3. And then you will work the corners the same way as you did over here. You will now chain 2. And then work another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. 1, 2, 3 double crochet into the same corner space. Then again, skip the next 3 and work the next corner where you'll do 3 double crochet, then chain 2, then 3 double crochet, then move on to this one, and I will meet you up right here. So I just did another corner, and then I work 3 double crochet into the final corner space, just where we started. So I will now finish with a chain of 2, and then I will join with a slip stitch on top over here. So now we're ready, done with round 2, and I will now cut the yarn and pull this one through. Now I want to change the color of the yarn again to this center color, and I will find one of the corners. I will just begin in this one. So I will again insert the hook and then grab the yarn, pull it through, and then tie a little knot. And this is always the same way we change the color. We find one of the corners and then attach the new color yarn. Then we insert the hook, pull up a loop. Whoops. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains count as the first double crochet. We will now work another 2 double crochet into the first corner. And this is always the same way we do it. When we change the color, we work 3 chains and then another 2 double crochet into the corner space. And this will be the first half of our first corner. When you make it all the way around, you finish with 3 double crochet in here to finish the corner. So now we have the next straight line over here, and we have a gap in the center. We will work 3 double crochet into this gap. So yarn over and insert the hook into this gap and work 3 double crochet into the gap. And then we will make the next corner. So you yarn over and then you work 3 double crochet into your next corner space. And then we chain 2 like we always do on the corners and work another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So each and every corner will always be 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and then 3 double crochet into the same corner space, and that counts for each and every round. That's our corner, and we will now make 3 double crochet into this space you have in the middle. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then we will make the next corner. Just the same way as over here, we will work 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and then 3 double crochet in the same corner space. Then we will work 3 double crochet into this and then the next corner. Just repeat this all the way around and I will meet you up back here. And when you did your final 3 double crochet into this first corner you started with, you will chain 2 and then join with a slip stitch on top. Then you can cut the yarn and change to the new color, to the other color. And you will again do exactly the same way. You will find one of the other corners and attach the yarn just with a little knot. And this is always the same way we do it. We find one of the corners and attach the color. Then we insert the hook, pull up a loop, and chain 3. Then you have your first double crochet and you make another 2. And then you have your first half of your first square. Then what's changed as the last round is that you now have 2 gaps in between the corners. And you will just do the same thing. You'll work 3 double crochet into each of the gaps before you do the corner. So you will just, in the first one, work 3 double crochet. And then in the next one, work 3 double crochet. And when you keep expanding your granny square, you will just have more and more of these gaps in between. You will just work 3 double crochet into each of the gaps. So now you will get to the next corner and you will just do the corner exactly like you used to. You will work 3 double crochet. And then chain 2. And then another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. So the corners will always be the same thing. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. And all the edges will be the same as well. Just work 3 double crochet into each of them. And then work the corners the same way. You know how to do the corners. And just work all the way around until here, where you will finish your half with 3 double crochet and then chain 2 and attach with a slip stitch on top. And then you know how to change the color. You'll just keep expanding however many colors you like, and you will just do as many rounds as you want. And when you're satisfied with the size of your square, you will finish it up with a chain 2 and then join with a slip stitch on top. Then you will cut the yarn, pull this one through, and then weave in the end on the back side. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!